What's up everybody, Rob here. You are watching another episode of Man vs. Art. Now, this next project I've had on my list for quite a while, and to be absolutely honest with you, it's one of the most ridiculous fucking things that I've ever seen. This week, we're trying rice art, or rice in the air art. Rice flying through the air art, I don't know what the fuck it's called. I don't know if it has a name. I don't know if it deserves a name. But we're doing it. In short, you get some different color rices, you create an image on a flat surface, and then you just throw it up in the air, and somehow it magically comes to life. Gravity, fucking something, I don't know. This feels like an amazing waste of time due to its permanentlessness, if that's a word. It only exists for like a second. You can't even see it unless you have a slow motion camera set up. Regardless, it looks like a big fucking mess. Bullshit, fucking rice everywhere. But that's what we do here on ThreadBanger. We make messes of shit. So let's get to it. Step one, buy more rice than you ever have in your entire life. I went for about 20 pounds of this stuff at my local market. And then while there, picked up some food coloring and some white vinegar, along with some gallon-sized Ziploc bags. Step two, evenly divide the rice into a bunch of the bags, and then add a little bit of vinegar to each one and a good amount of the food coloring, and then just massage it around. Get into it until the color is pretty consistent throughout. Now, the last step for preparation is the most crucial. You gotta let this rice dry. You can do this by spreading it all over the place on open counters or wherever you got the room. But because I'm a fancy pants, I'm using a dehydrator over here, which takes way less time. After it's all dry, you throw it back in the bags and you're ready to be a fucking rice artist, if that's a thing. Next, grab a large piece of something flat, a piece of cardboard, some canvas, an old metal sign that you may have stolen, whatever. You're gonna lay that down and using your rice, carefully create your image until you have something you're happy with. This is simple, this looks pretty good. Instead of going back and forth, I'm gonna make a few more of these. We got a classic one right here. Got a couple good ones. Now next, be sure that you got something to put down, like a tarp, a sheet, a blanket, whatever, because you need to catch all this fucking rice, which is gonna be flying all over the place. Lastly, you gotta set up your cameras, because if you don't have a slow motion camera going to capture this phenomena, then this whole thing is pointless. You don't need to do this. None of this. All right, so I guess you're just supposed to stand in front of like a white wall and then just throw this up in the air somehow. We're gonna give it a shot. Center yourself up in front of the camera, and then you just flip it up in the air. I don't know, hey, this thing's gonna be a problem. I'm nervous, I'm a little nervous about this. All right, here we go. Happened. I don't think that fucking worked. Hold on, I gotta check the footage. All right, here it goes, here it goes. That didn't work at all. It was upside down. It was the wrong fucking trajectory. The whole fucking thing was off. Fuck. All right, we're going again. I may have figured it out a little bit. I hold it away from me, and then put it up like that. I don't know. All right. Second attempt, here we go. I don't think I fucking did that right again. God damn it. Shit. Oh, it kind of worked. Wait for it, wait for it. Oh yeah, there it is, kind of. All right, I think we got it this time. We only got a couple more shots. 1, 2, this sign is really fucking heavy. Oh my God. Okay. All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, ah! Yeah, in my eye. Ah! It's all over me. It's fucking stupid. Is it still in my eye? It's in my eyeball. Oh, for fuck's sake, come on. That one was fucking terrible. They just keep on getting worse. All right, last one. This is the one. This is the fucking masterpiece right here. This is the one for the thumbnail. All right, you ready? Here goes nothing. Fuck. That was fucking terrible. This is fucking stupid. All right, last one. I'm serious this time. I think I got it. I just gotta flip it up fast and towards me. This is my last attempt. I don't have any more fucking rice after this. So, here it goes. At this point, I've got rice in my fucking hoodie, in my hat, in my hair. I got rice in my fucking shoes. Fucking rice all over the fucking place. This was exactly as I predicted. A fucking mess. What a waste of fucking rice. You know what I mean? There's fucking starving kids and shit. Well, there's no more rice left to make any more pictures, so I'm gonna have to fucking make something out of this. Well, no use letting all this rice go to waste. That would be fucking terrible. So we got a new project. DIY rainbow rice. Super simple. You already know how to dye the rice. Do that, boil some water, throw it in, let it cook, and you got some rainbow rice. Here we go. It's a little bit of rainbow rice. Oh, you gotta be fucking shitting me. It's fucking blue! Oh, I can't fucking catch a break here, can I? Today. Bon appetit. Tastes like the floor. You want some? Here, try some of that. Good, right? Oh, you want some? Yeah? Here you go. Nope. Okay. Well, thanks for hanging out. That was fun. Had a fucking blast. If you want to see more art blunders, be sure you check out my Instagram at robsart, and if you have any future project suggestions, be sure that you leave them down in the comments below. I'll see you around here next time.